Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Biscuit Modak. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 20 to 25 digestive biscuits, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Don't forget 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Having everything ready and at room temperature will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This no-cook recipe is perfect for a quick and delightful treat, requiring minimal effort for maximum flavor. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the base. Take your 20 to 25 biscuits and crush them into a very fine powder. A food processor works wonderfully for this, but a rolling pin and a sturdy bag will also do the trick. Once crushed, it's important to sieve the powder. This step ensures a super smooth texture for your Modak, free from any unwanted lumps. Then, transfer this fine powder into a large mixing bowl, ready for the next steps. With our biscuit powder ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add the 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of melted ghee to the bowl. Mix these dry ingredients well. Now, gradually add the 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, kneading until a firm, pliable dough forms. This dough should hold its shape. Take small portions and press them firmly into your Modak mold, ensuring every crevice is filled for a perfect shape. The exciting moment has arrived. Gently open your Modak mold and carefully unmold each Biscuit Modak. You'll be amazed by their beautiful, intricate designs. To add a touch of elegance, you can garnish each Modak with a small piece of dry fruit, like a sliver of almond or a delicate strand of saffron. These delightful, no-cook treats are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them fresh, or if you have any left, store them in an airtight container for up to 2 or 3 days. Enjoy your homemade Modaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.